Good morning, everyone. I got some kind of rice porridge for breakfast.
We just had a couple of people take selfies with us, which is quite nice. It means we're a novelty.
Hello. We gave up on park and we've come somewhere called Phrae because Sammy found somewhere that looks really nice to stay, and we're really tired. And so we're just gonna take a couple of days to just sleep. We're like just by a restaurant and bus station. It's a lot like all of the other bus stations in Thailand.
150?
100?
50, 50, 50. Do you want to write it down? Maybe write it down. 100? 100. Bartering by notebook.
120. 120?
Okay. We went the wrong way. Again, except this guy, like, whole world of difference from the last guy. This guy was like, oh, I won't charge you, it's this much the other way, which is really nice of him. Because the guy in Kusanyola was like, no, 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 I took you to 2 different places, you have to pay me more. We just had an interesting conversation with the lady at the cafe. First of all, she wanted to know if we wanted coffee, and she kept going to Sam, cappuccino, cappuccino. Sam was like, yeah, 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 and this went back and forth about 6 times. Anyway, the conversation ended. Sam got her cappuccino, Lucy got tea, and I got tea. So we've left that. We're gonna pack. We're gonna go back. We're gonna try this again. Also, the guy who brought us here yesterday gave us his number, so we're gonna give that a try. This is the bathroom. It's pretty much outside. It's just some boards, but it's really nice. Like, the shower is huge, and we got hot water, which was really very exciting. Oh, hello. We went up there. They're boiling eggs in hot springs, and they're in little baskets down a well. Oh look, one's gonna get lowered in. Perfectly, we can. Oh, there he is. Oh, in it goes. That's hilarious. And then you tie it to the bar. It does smell like eggs here. Bye bye, eggs. It's possibly the most exciting thing I've done all day. Yeah. You go and lower your own eggs in. Alright, I see. I see. So here I am in the hot spring. I'm not quite sure what the big deal is because it just seems like a big round bath in the ground. It's got a hot and cold tap, so I don't know whether that means that it is just bath water, because when they said hot springs, go to like a natural pool and get in and it would be hot, but clearly I was very mistaken. This is nice, but I do feel like I'm just taking a bath.
In New Zealand, if you ever went in a hot spring, they always told you to take off silver jewellery because it corrodes it much quicker.
So there are minerals in the water that are good for you. Okay. Good morning. Yesterday we arrived at this place, was called something like Punjen Hide-away. It's really nice. It's not an eco resort, but it's like quite out in the middle of nowhere. We're surrounded by mostly just jungle and paddy fields. Yesterday we did some fun stuff and we're gonna go for breakfast. After not seeming to think much of the hot springs, I've completely changed my mind. My skin feels so nice. It looks like a really local place that people go to just, I don't know, be healthy and do nice things for their skin. You go in and you get your own like little private thing and then you stay there for 20 minutes and then you come out and it's really nice. I think it's a Thai thing to do. I don't really like baths, but if you do then you'll doubly like it because I enjoyed it. Sammy and Lucy are taking a nap. We had such a nice morning. Ya, who's one of the women who works here, she offered to take us on a tour of her village. So at first I didn't want to go because I didn't want to like, I was a bit like, oh, I don't want to really go and like ogle villagers like from a truck. But it wasn't like that at all. She walked us through. She like gave us the names of all the plants and let us smell them. She just like pulled a chunk of ginger from the ground and was like, yeah, we eat this a lot. And we went in and talked to a lot of the women who do weaving, and a lot of them like, you know, wanted to chat to us. We went to a hospital as well, like a little hospital, and they like sat us down and they gave us some papaya and they were like, oh, you know, a bit of Thai. We were like, no, we barely know any Thai. One of the ladies was talking about her daughter who's doing English at university, so that was really nice. It was like, it wasn't like going on a tour, it was just like wandering around a village with a member of the village, which is just what it was. This is the resort we're staying at the moment. I think I already told you what it's called. It's called the Punjen Hide-away. It is really lovely. I'm gonna give you a bit of a show around because it's actually really nice. That's the house up there. This is by far the nicest place we've stayed so far. Like, we're living luxury right now. We decided to take a couple of days after like going to the school and stuff. Hi! Can I video? Yeah. Yeah? This is Yash. She took us around earlier. Hi. There are also so many butterflies here. On the reviews, people were like, oh yeah, we went there and stayed for like a month and look at the insect life, and I completely understand why. There are so many butterflies. It's magical.